How to fix Discord black screen. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for Discord. When you found it, just open it like this, then go to storage option. Then click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK, and the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.